Hi, and welcome to Deepwell Archival Services. In today's brief 5-minute video, we're going to look at the age-old technology adage that says if your server, your application, and your data were on a cliff ready to fall, which one would you save? You know, and storage vendors have very creatively and effectively used this maxim over the years to really point out the importance of the actual data. Okay, I think we would all agree we would definitely save and protect our customer information first and foremost. You know, you've got in this case, a PACS server, and then you've got the diagnostic study data, you know, the report, and of course the images. You know, the server, if the server goes away, you know, I don't care if it, gets struck by lightning or someone, steals it, walks out of your facility with it, you buy another server. Okay, worst case scenario, if you don't have a business continuance infrastructure in place, buy another server, load the operating system, load the application, maybe recover a database, reload a database application from a backup tape, and then your server's up and running. Now, what if you've actually lost the data? What if you've lost the actual database files? In this case, you've lost the objects, the actual diagnostic study data, and the report data. That's where the trouble really starts. Well, first of all, you've got heavily regulated information here. You've got the HIPAA security rule that requires multiple copies and multiple secure copies in multiple locations for any information containing PHI or protected health information. But notwithstanding all the regulatory and compliance requirements, I think most of us in the imaging business, in the imaging industry, want to be good corporate citizens. So we want to provide good and adequate data protection, for our patient critical information. So the question becomes, I think now that we've all agreed you would definitely protect your patient critical and diagnostic critical information first. How do you do that? In these trying economic times where money is certainly tight, budgets are very tight. The future of healthcare is kind of uncertain. It's up in the air. It's undetermined right now. So, there's a lot of trepidation about making, capital expansions and capital purchases and implementing new technology. So, the question becomes, well, how do I balance the requirement, and the intrinsic desire, to adequately protect our patient critical information, while at the same time, staying in business from a financial perspective. So, Deepwell, of course, we are a cloud-based vendor-neutral archive company. So we are, we think that we offer a very robust, technologically robust, and very cost-effective solution leveraging cloud technologies. Here we have the very familiar imaging organization environment where we've got the different modalities. We've got a PACS that's acquiring this data from the different modalities, and you've got a radiological information system out here somewhere as well. But the PACS acquires this data, stores it typically on a very robust primary storage. Our solution, our on-site server, immediately acquires that information as well. So we provide an extended on-site image cache here, 3, 5, 7 years, whatever the imaging organization feels is necessary. But as soon as we acquire that diagnostic study data, we create multiple copies in multiple geographically separated data centers. So for a one-time ingestion fee, for the life of that diagnostic study data, we create multiple copies in multiple data centers. We provide capacity on demand, secure all data transmissions, and all data at rest is stored in a secure encrypted format. We've got automated, again, storage expansions. Your business grows. We automatically, without a capital purchase or an extensive implementation project, storage implementation project, we automatically adjust to that business growth with automated storage and capacity expansions. Automated data migrations. We are a vendor-neutral archive, so we believe that means two fundamental things. Data has to be stored in explicitly in DICOM 3.0 conformant format, and we have to provide automated data migrations to latest, greatest storage technologies, which we do in our deep archive storage centers. Single tenant storage. We do not commingle hospital ABC's data with imaging center XYZ's data. So single tenant storage paradigm. All for a low one-time ingestion fee for the life of that data. So now that I think we've all agreed you would definitely protect your customer information and your patient critical data first, I think we've shown and demonstrated that with leveraging cloud technologies that we can provide a very technologically robust but cost-effective solution to do just that, to adequately protect your patient critical information. Thank you for your interest in Deepwell Archival Services. We appreciate your time today, and we look forward to seeing you on the next video.